Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by the Morant Bay Urban Center and we're going to give you an update on the micro business park. So that land that's behind the urban center that has been cleared, that's where they're going to build the micro business park. So the urban center, which is what we're looking at now, is a huge success. It's entirely booked out and they actually had more demand than they had space. So the government is now going to be developing a 200,000 square foot micro business park around the urban center. That space at the back, all that is going to be the micro park. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. To accommodate small and medium-sized enterprises, Factories Corporation of Jamaica has acquired 10 additional acres adjacent to the urban center in Morant Bay, St. Thomas, to develop a 200,000 square foot micro-business park. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, who made the announcement in his 2025-26 budget debate presentation, said this will provide dedicated space for small and micro businesses. Dr. Holness said the FCJ continues to drive major projects that enhance productivity and capacity for economic growth across the country. The FCJ is playing a critical role in modernizing town centers across the island, Dr. Holness said. The Morant Bay Urban Center faced great skepticism from some but now is nearing completion, he noted. Dr. Holness said the demand for space in the area is such that an additional 2 buildings are being designed to house the National Insurance Fund and the Medical Service Block. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.